Granny, it just ain't worth it anymore. Granny, it ain't worth it no more.
We got a car. Run with it.
Woo! You're about breaking up the
Yes. Wait. Save a piece of bread.
I'm making a mess in the
somebody's
car.
gonna get pooped on if they get out right now.
That's all I got, thank goodness.
They're literally around the car.
I got salt. Wait. Oh, here. Hold on.
Wait.
I know you guys have been missing it up here. Look at them where they're.
I know that I just got